the sound of the sea. Palm trees dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high. No worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand. Freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody. Feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore. Smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go. Moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside. Together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Wave of harmony. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony.
Just speak. Nothing noise. Nothing noise.
They sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound, just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word. My heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind flowed to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face, just breeze that touched my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me here with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd, but Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, me spirit still, and there me find Jah holy will. Each gust it bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure. It come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key. The truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave. Nyabinghi chant true leaf and wave. So when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near mountain bend and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might. It shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spend, just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flow from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear. It tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe, yeah. When words grow weak and books can guide, let Jah breeze speak inside.
You can cut the tree, but you can't kill the root. Still living, still growing. Don't try to bury the old time song. Say it too slow, say it too long. But truth no age and fire no sleep. My roots run quiet, but them run deep. Me nah bow to plastic trend. My soul no bend, my spirit no end. Me rise each day with ancient cry, cause roots grow strong and roots not die. Roots never die, no matter the storm. Still push through even when it's torn. Beneath the soil where truth will lie. Me find my strength, my roots still high. Yes, Jah, roots never die. Them paint success in gold and show, but me know truth in what grows slow. Me no race, me just align. My feet in earth, my eyes the sign. Me chant same way my elders chant. Me no switch up just for grant. What grow from love no man can buy. Me hold the faith, me reason why. Roots never die through drought and flame. Still whisper Jah holy name. Me no boss, me no fly. Me grounded low but reaching high. Oh Jah, my roots justify. Nyabinghi drum roll like prayer. Echo fly through desert air. Even when branch bend and cry, the roots remain and testify. So when we're gone, don't mourn my shell. Just water the seed and wish it well. My legacy not flash or gold, but story lived and truth my hold. Me not fear Babylon's scheme. Me trod steady inside my dream. Me carry chant, my soul comply. My roots still chant until I fly. Roots never die, them living song. Them guide the weak, them steer the strong. Through every trial, me still reply. Jah love endure, roots never die. Yes, I forever and I. Me grow where others fall. Me reach where others crawl. Me root, me rise.
defeat. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen, gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. Ital, fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with jazz will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity, we build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Selassie I, guide I and I. Dub it low, chant it loud. Roots vibration shake the cloud. From Zion gate to ocean shore, we sing what Babylon ignored. My granny teach me plant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, from ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye. Like a tree, the roots run deep. Still I stand, still I keep faith in Jah through storm and strife. Me grow strong like the tree of life. Me planted long before my birth. My roots sink deep into the earth. Through drought and storm I still survive. My branches stretch, my leaves alive. No man can move what Jah did grow. Me bend in wind but never low. From seed to stem, from root to crown. My spirit rise, me nah back down. Like a tree of life, me stand tall. Even when the rain them fall. From root to fruit, me carry light. My soul grows strong in Jah's skies. Yes, Jah, my tree of life. My tree of life. Me no chase glitter, me chase sun. Me soak up love from everyone. Me no fight shadow, me shine bright. Me feed me soul with truth and light. Some get lost in concrete maze, but I man shine through morning haze. My branch spread far, but heart stay near. To Zion drum me always here. Like a tree of life, me stand firm. Even when the system burn, me nah break, me just grow wise. Me leave them dance under Jah's skies. Yes, I'm a tree still rise. Roots deep in a ancient ground. Bassline roll with healing sound.
ground. Let the wind blow, let it test. My tree grows slow, but Jah know best. My leaf give shade to ones in need. My trunk stands strong through every creed. Me no boast, but me exist as witness to Jah love persist. So when you feel your spirit low, come rest beneath this tree and grow. For every soul got space to climb and blossom in Jah perfect time. Like a tree of life, but still bloom, even in Babylon gloom. Me rise each day with peace inside. My branches wide, my roots can't hide. Ooh, Jah, my standing pride. Jah give we one more day. Time for rise, time for give praise. Me rise in the morning with bread from Jah. Me stretch me soul to Zion star. Birds them sing, me heart feel light. Darkness gone, come brand new sight. Me give thanks for the life me live, for all the love Jah daily give. No riches fake, no worldly throne, just sky above and roots me own. Rise in the morning, light so pure, Jah mercy fall like river shore. Me open heart, me spirit sing, me walk with Jah in everything. Yes, Jah, me rise and cling. Me nah check phone, me check the breeze. Me listen close to rustling trees. Them whisper truth in ancient tones. Say I man never walk alone. Me wash me face in river flow. Me clean my mind, my soul must grow. Me step slow but step is true. Each morning light Jah make brand new. Rise in the morning, chant for peace. Let Babylonic worries cease. Me plant me hope in fertile ground. Me carry joy where love is found. Oh Jah, me bless this sound. Nyabinghi beat beneath sunrise. The echo roll where eagle flies. Chimes like angels greet the day. Jah light rise, me trot his way. Me greet the sun with humble voice. Me no rich but still rejoice. Me no own mansion, no drive no car, but me carry light from near and far. For every dawn me find my way, with one love guide me through the day. And when me sleep, me know me try to rise again when morning cry. Rise in the morning, rise with grace. Me carry Jah in every place. Me sing no boast, me sing no lie, just prayer lifting to the sky. Yes, Jah, me rise till I. From root to leaf, from soul to sky. Me rise until I fly.
Easy now, breathe slow, like still waters where they grow. Deep, deep within Jah flow. Me sit beside the silent stream. Jah show our life beyond the dream. No noise, no race, no stage to keep, but wisdom planted steady deep. Me not compete, me just receive. Me learn to grow, me learn to leave. This peace me find not come from speech, but from the depth no man can reach. Still waters run deep, so still I stay. With roots in truth, me won't decay. No wind can shake, no storm can sweep. Jah hold me soul in waters deep. Yes, my spirit run deep. Them praise the wave that crash and rise, but me give thanks for quiet skies. For in the hush me hear Jah tone. In stillness me no feel alone. Them move for sure, me move for grow. Me trod where sacred rivers flow. Not loud but firm, my soul stay wide. Like river calm, me trod inside. Still waters run deep, them carry light. Beneath the moon, beneath the night. My heart beats slow, my thoughts run steep. Me walk with fire, me flow like creek. Ooh, Jah, still waters speak. Dub echo roll through empty space. Nyabinghi pulse, slow like grace. Let the breeze unveil what's true. Still waters, Jah flow through you. So if the world too loud for bear, find the silence, Jah is there. No need for proof, no need for boast. Just sit and sip the Holy Ghost. Me no live high, me live wise. Me no chase clouds, me bless my skies. My soul no shallow, my thoughts no cheap. Me live like river still and deep. Still waters run deep, me not drift fast. Me trot slow, so love can last. No fame, no flash, just roots Marie. My faith grows strong in places deep. Yes, Jah, my soul swim deep. Jah, me spirit run deep. Me flow without fear, me grow without noise. Still waters, still rise. Trotting still, I move like river through the land. No crown, no throne, just open hand. Me carry peace, me carry flame. Me no seek hype, me no seek fame. Them never see the tears I cry, but still me rise and reach the sky. For in the silence Jah reveal a strength that Babylon can't steal. Silent warrior, move with grace. Truth in heart, light on face. No loud talk, no grand show, but deep inside Jah love flow. Yes, I will walk low, but glow high. And I need crowd to chant my name. Me walk the hills where roots remain. Them run with noise and chase the flash. Me build my home from earth and ash. In a boat to pressure deep. Me chant when all the world asleep. a soldier of the sacred kind. With every breath, me free my mind. Silent warrior, heart like drum. Step by step, me overcome. Me no shout, but I survive. In every beat, I feel alive. Ooh, Jah, give our power inside. You don't need no sword to fight. Just hold your faith and shine your light. When world grow cold and shadows wide, silent warriors still rise. So let them dance with vanity, but walk with love and clarity. But hold me ground when storm arrive, cause Rootsman know how to survive. They don't see, but Jah do see. The fire burn inside of me. I walk with humble lion pride, and all my battles fought inside. Silent warrior, but trod alone, but Jah prepare me stepping stone. No fear, no mask, no lie, just soul and sky. Selassie, I still I. Silent but mighty high. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still seek. Silent but just speak.
Love that your friend. We the Lord said the fair. Miss that, cause roots want you me.
Me born from clay, me shaped by rain. Me walk with joy, me walk through pain. The voice of elders in me ear still guide my steps when path not clear. My skin may change, my clothes may tear, but soul stay true, Jah always near. Me no forget where me begin, cause roots run deep beneath my skin. Roots run through me strong and wide. From valley floor to mountain heights. In every beat, in every tree, the ancestors still walk with me, yes, Jah, eternally. Them teach for shame, them change my name, but truth remains, still burn like flame. Me call my granny, me call my king. Me chant the line from which me spring. My language cracked, but still it breathe. My culture buried, but underneath it rise like seed from fallen tree. Cause roots run on eternally. Roots run through me deep and bold. It whispers stories never old. Me carry drum, me carry song. My roots remind me where me belong. Oh, Jah, my roots stay strong. Let the echo bring back time. Chimes sing low like sacred rhyme. Nyabinghi beat remind I soul. Me rooted deep, me fully whole. So tell the youth, don't walk alone. Your blood is book, your skin a throne. The knotted crown from colony, but where the roots Jah give to me. And when we're gone, my spirit rise through banyan
eternally. Before me move forward, me give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb. Before me move forward, me give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb. It full of life, still waters run deep. Me sit by the river early morn, watch how the mist from earth is born. No voice me hear but spirit speak. Still waters run so strong, so meek. Them say me quiet, them can't see the fire me hold internally. Me no shout loud, me soul no leak. Me trust Japa, still and deep. Still waters running deep in I. Calm and clear beneath the sky. No storm can shake, no wind can sweep. My heart stays strong, me roots run deep. Yes, Jah, my peace me keep. Them chase the flash, watch the flow. They move too fast, me choose fi grow. Like river bend round rock and tree. Me no resist, me move wisely. Me learn from moon, from tide, from rain. That strength comes slow, not born from pain. Me carry stillness when others weak. Cause still waters run deep. Still waters running deep and wide. A holy stream where Jah reside. Me carry love, me carry grace. Me walk with silence, not the race. So Jah, me feel your face. Dub echo like river breath, chimes like birds in mountain depth. Nyabinghi drums in gentle sweep. Me chant for those whose waters deep. So when me gone and world grow loud, just find me not among the crowd. My spirit dwell in morning steep, where still waters sing and keep. Me no need throne, me no need praise. Me just give thanks for all my days. And all me leave, me never weep. Just peace that run still and deep. We belong. Bit full of life, still waters run do till this is strength. Silence is song.